My name is Turene Huiarau Jones. I am from Rotorua but grew up a lot in Manatuke outside of Gisborne. So I'm Ngāti Whakaue, Te Aroa, and Rongowhakaata. I went to Victoria University in Wellington, did my Bachelor of Arts in Psychology, Theatre with a minor in Criminology. And then after that I went to the University of Auckland to do my Bachelor of Arts Honours in Drama. I did my undergrad in Psychology. I'm really interested in touching on mental health issues, especially in New Zealand because it's so prevalent, especially with our high suicide rates. I'd love to touch on that, and also domestic violence as well. But I also want to talk about feminism as well. I do want to write a play all about feminism and what it means to be especially a Māori feminist. But during my studies I kind of decided that I wanted to stay on like the arts path, so while I was there I started doing playwriting, which got me into writing other screen stuff. So at the moment I have just been writing my play, I Ain't Mad At Ya, and am also writing a web series called Fierce Girls.